I love a nice kit. You know, when things are beautifully packaged together and it feels like your birthday when you open it. Hey folks, I'm Lucy at Ballyhoo Creations, where I design dolls, plushies, and puppets that you can stitch with an embroidery machine or a sewing machine. I felt like it was my birthday when DIME, that stands for Designs in Machine Embroidery, they sent me one of their machine embroidery starter kits to share with you. Let me show you what's in these starter kits and how you can get free designs from them. This box has threads on one side, and then it has stabilizers and more on the other side of it. I've been really eager to unbox all of this thread and get these threads onto my thread valet behind me. I have some Sin thread up there right now, but it's time to upgrade to this Exquisite brand of thread. DIME is known for their quality supplies, and they've been around a long time. New threads! Is it just me, or do you feel like a kid in a candy store when you're surrounded by colorful threads? I love it. On the other side of the box you get 3 rolls of stabilizer. There's a medium cutaway, there's a water-soluble topper, and there's a medium tearaway. You also get some metallic thread. You get a whole box of needles. There's both 7511 and 9014 in here. You get a whole bunch of bobbins, and when you order this kit, you have to tell them which machine you have so that you get correct bobbins. They asked me which kind of machine I use the most, and I wanted the magnetic core for my multi-needle, and that's what they sent. They have those, so that's really cool. I love these bobbins. And then you also get an embroiderer's compass, and we'll look at that a little more closely. It comes with a tearaway, a cutaway, and a clear topper, because with these 3 stabilizers, you can do probably like 90% of most machine embroidery projects just with these 3. This is a great starting point. These are the 3 that I tell people in my beginner series. Get these 3 and you can do most of the stuff. And then later you can buy the specialty stabilizers, but don't worry about those yet. And then there are 2 cones of Kingstar metallic thread. This is the metallic thread that everybody raves about. They say it stitches with fewer problems than other brands of metallic thread. So I'm looking forward to playing around with that. I should probably make a video just with metallic threads because so many people struggle with those. I've never used the Kingstar metallic before, so that should be fun. And then last but not least, you get the embroiderer's compass. This is a spinning wheel thingy, and it guides you through which needles and stabilizers to use for all kinds of fabrics. It's got on both the front and the back. There are 25 different fabrics and projects that go around the edge here. And so you just turn the wheel to whichever one you're going to stitch, and it tells you which stabilizers it recommends, which needles, and then comments. This embroiderer's compass is a very useful tool. I know some of you have asked me to do a video on how to choose your stabilizer for different fabrics and projects, and really, you just need this tool. So if I do make a video, I'm probably just going to be using this tool and giving you the advice and adding my own comments to what this tool will do. You can buy this separately. You don't have to buy the entire starter kit. You can get the compass separately, and I recommend you do. It's really cool if you're not sure on what stabilizer and needles and stuff to use for different projects. Right here, do this. It's kind of fun. It's like one of those pop-up books when you're a kid, you know? It's fun. So I've showed you everything that comes in the DIME Machine Embroidery Starter Kit, and I promised I would also show you how to get free designs from them. I've put my affiliate link in the description box, and I will earn a small commission from DIME if you purchase after using my link. That helps to support this channel and pays me to keep coming up with new content for you. So thank you for that. That link in the description box will take you to the DIME website, and you can find the freebies under Designs, and then go find the free designs. They have some really cute stuff over there. Their digitizers do quality work, so check them out for those designs. So what do you think? Did you purchase a starter set when you were getting started? Have you purchased other things from DIME and you love them? I would love to hear about that. I'm putting their hoop and press pads and their magnetic hoop on my holiday wish list. Let me hear from you in the comments, and see you later, folks. This box has pox. This pox. What's a pox? A pox on your house. This box. What's in the box? Oh, what's in the box? I know some of you asked me how...